I've just always grown up drawn to anything creative.
I came in the shop, struck a couple arcs, and I fell in love with it.
The high schools here in Calgary, they had this friendly competition between the schools.
So this is the Calgary Boilermaker Weld Center where we're going to be hosting the annual welding rodeo.
The welding rodeo, it's a fun competition that's all centered on the kids.
They come in here and they see what we have to offer.
If you never step foot in the shop, then you're not really gonna know what they do in here.
Okay, so we got a good shape to our weld here.
We started out with one school district, and now we're up to 5 different school districts.
Seeing the kids, how much pride they have and working as a team, you know, things that the Boilermakers look for. They're showing them there's more to just a welding class. There's a career opportunity.
It's a privilege to have the opportunity to be a positive impact of individuals we're wanting to bring into our industry.
I've been practicing in the shop twice a week just to be in it and, oh, no, I could never do that. But then you look at yourself, you're like, oh, but I can.
Yeah.
I'm good at this.
You go, girl.
I'm really excited to see what these kids come up with.